Hello and a very good morning, dear. Today we are starting our another chapter of science. It's synthetic fibers and plastics. So first we discuss what's the fiber. As fiber is a raw material used for making fabrics. Raw material means we can say as we want to make clothes. So we can say fabric is a cloth, and to make cloth we need threads. So from the sources we get thread we will discuss in this chapter, and the sources from which we get the thread means the raw material is called fiber, means the raw material required to make clothes is called fiber. So we will discuss the fibers in this chapter, as the first one is natural and the second is synthetic fiber. As natural fiber means the name includes the meaning. Natural means the things made by nature, and fiber means the raw material for clothes. As the natural fiber are obtained from plants and animals, like fiber from cotton, wool is taken from sheep and goat, and silk is taken from silkworm. So we can say as cotton is obtained from plants, means it is a raw material which is obtained from plants which is made by nature, and on the other hand wool is taken from sheep and goat, as sheep and goat are animals, these are also made by nature. The third one is silk, which is obtained from silkworm which is a insect. So the sources of getting fiber which are made by nature comes under the category of natural fiber. On the other hand, synthetic fiber, as these are obtained from chemical substances but not from plants and animals, like nylon, polyester and rayon are the examples of synthetic fiber. As the major difference between natural and synthetic fiber is the fiber obtained from natural things are called natural fiber, and the synthetic fiber which are not obtained from natural things, means which are made by chemical substances in factories, are called synthetic fibers. What's synthetic fiber? A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units. Example, we can take polymer. As polymer, the word polymer comes from a Greek word which is formed from two words further, poly and mer. Poly, which means many, and mer means parts or unit. So polymer is made up of many units, means we can say the fiber which is made up of many units is called polymer. The types of synthetic fiber. The first one is rayon. As rayon, it is a fiber obtained chemically from wood pulp. It has some properties that of silk, hence it is also called artificial silk, means rayon has many properties similar to the silk, where silk is a natural fiber but rayon is synthetic. So rayon is called artificial silk. As it is cheaper than silk and yet man-made fiber, means silk is very costly, and on the other hand rayon is very cheap. It is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, and rayon is mixed with wool to make carpets. It is as stronger as a metal wire. The second is nylon. It is made without using any natural raw material, means that substances required to make nylon are totally artificial. It is prepared from coal, water and air. After Second World War there is scarcity of silk, and there is an alternate required which can replace the silk. So nylon replaced the silk in which is used in parachutes, vehicle tires, ropes, musical strings. It is also strong as metal wire. The fact for today's class is nylon when invented in two cities, New York and London. That's why it is named nylon. NY comes from the New York and LON comes from the London. The word becomes nylon. Two questions are there. The first one is, what is natural and synthetic fiber? The second one is, define rayon and nylon with its use. So it's all about today's class. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. Goodbye and best of luck. Meet you soon in next class.